What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's talk about a play that I just had come across my desk that seems very interesting. You know how the AI narrative is really running this bull market, where you see a lot of things that are AI driven. People are trying to find the next best AI play. And what's better is if you could find something that may be not at the bottom per se, but not as valuable as some of these other ones that are at the top, but then have the same potential to be as valuable as they are, if not more. And that's what we've all been trying to find, right? Those gems. You're always trying to find a gem in like the gaming space or in the metaverse space or whatever the sector is. And AI seems to be that space that's going to be very popular this bull run. It already has that level of popularity. So Byte AI is a token that came across my desk as something that is, kind of still on the more getting started phase, but definitely transitioning into an area to where it's developing a name for itself. Now, this is not to get confused with Byte the meme token, because this is not that. This is the AI, machine learning, project here, the token here. So we want to talk about the project. We want to talk about the ecosystem, everything they have in development for the team, as well as, understanding the chart and looking at that. So guys, if you could make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel, as well as all of the links for Byte AI. I will provide that down below at the top of the description, so feel free to check it out. Before I get started in this, I want to let you guys know that this is none of what I say is financial advice. I'm here for entertainment purposes. And what I typically like to do is basically get your attention towards maybe a little bit of a project so you can research it. And if you like the play, you make that investment. I never make an investment based off of what anybody else says. I do my own research into it and say, okay, this actually looks really, really legit. And, maybe our minds can align in certain areas. So feel free to do a lot of the research yourself. There's a lot of information to go through. You can go through the roadmap, you can go through the website. You can go through the position and understand what's happening there, but feel free to give it a look for yourself before you go ahead and decide. Makes you feel better about what you invested in. So anyways, if we look at ByteAIToken.com, the future of Web3 journalism powered by AI agents. And anytime you have any type of AI conversation, it brings that level of popularity into the conversation, right? Where you can see millions upon millions of dollars worth of volume as things get situated, as you have more exchanges, as you have more, traction on Twitter as well. We strive to democratize access to concise, impartial news intelligence, facilitated by Bittenser. Hopefully, I'm saying that right. The contract address, you can go there. You can go ahead and buy, and you can view their documentation. There's a lot of information to go through on this website. Add our bot to your channel. Follow our automated news channels to get decentralized insights. Bot AI bot, or Byte AI bot. Byte AI crypto news. Feel behind our on sorry. Feel behind on crypto news. Learn the most recent information in depth by joining our crypto news channel. And then you have Byte AI market news. Want to learn more about the market? Learn the newest information by joining our news channel here. So you can go ahead and check all of that out as you go through the website there. They do have their crypto links, which we are going to go through the chart in a little bit. Just to kind of get this out of the way, you can also see their Twitter account that has about 2,000, 3,000 followers at the moment. They just recently got listed on CoinMarketCap, which is great to be able to see that. So now you can break that down in an easier to read way rather than a lot of these other places. So to be able to see that on CoinMarketCap, we will again go through that in a little bit. So you can go ahead and check out their Twitter and go and give them a follow and see what they're all about and any announcements that they do have that's there. Now, let's go through the website a little bit more. Empowering access, resisting manipulation, and in integration or integrating. With decentralized machine learning, you have 10 plus metrics, 2K plus subscribers, 5K plus insights. Byte AI is a decentralized platform democratizing impartial news access through AI agents. um, it employs techniques to resist manipulation, risk, and incentivizes agents for impartial news coverage, accurate ordinal ranking, relevant via decentralized machine learning, things like that. You can go and read the white paper a little bit if you want to bring that up. You can definitely do that. I don't want to get out of the website right now. But you also have the roadmap on their website if you want to understand what they're doing. You have, Teo monetization and scaling for phase. I believe that's phase 4. Let's go ahead and scroll down to phase 1. Launching system products. You have phase 2, which is improving and expanding the system. Let's see. Yield and value creation is phase 3, and then Teo monetization and scaling is phase 4. If we wanted to understand the tokenomics a little bit, the Byte AI network has a narrative or a native Byte token, uses the native Byte token. It's serving as a native currency driven or driving development and adoption. The token supply, you have 1 billion tokens that are available there. Again, we will go through that in the chart breakdown and everything. Token allocation, can't speak sometimes. Token allocation, you have 10% of the total supply that's allocated to funding the team and advisors with a 24-month vesting schedule, which is really, really good to incentivize long-term commitment. To know that you have 10% out there that's going to be held for a long time, and they believe in this project. That shows belief when you have a longer vesting schedule that's there. Typically, you see 12 months. So to see 24 months shows that they have a really long-term interest in exactly what this is all about. Token utility, Byte token serves multiple utilities, including subscription access to platform features, governance capabilities over parameters and policies, staking to signal content validity, and community coordination incentives. As adoption grows, additionally, utility levers will decentralize around the token. Now, tokenomics, a 5% tax is levied on all Byte transactions, which funds ongoing development of machine learning models, data ingestion pipelines, user experience improvements, and collective system enrichment. So that's good to be able to see that. Typically, you want to see a way to add to development, add to the machine learning, to data ingestion, to see a lot of development for your community, development for your ecosystem that you're a part of. That's what it's all about. And a lot of times it's difficult as a cryptocurrency starting out, because the money goes through the cryptocurrency, but it doesn't necessarily flow back to the the team. And flowing back to the team is how you end up creating marketing strategies and different development and all of this stuff that's there. So having some sort of tax may be a more of a blessing, especially for beginning stages of things. Value proposition, you have democratization, you have breadth, connecting global news sources and data to empower informed decisions, impartiality, leveraging decentralized networks to mitigate bias and produce trustworthy summaries, affordability, offering free and low cost tiers to ensure access for all. Now, Bit and Sur and Byte AI collaboration phases. If you want to understand that, let me go ahead and come back here and look at one. Specialized parameters. You have custom endpoints, gradular access control, emergent specialization, and avoid bidding. That's there. Now, I want to get into the chart. We kind of broke down a lot of these things. If you want to go and check out a lot, again, they have their white paper. You have the website that you can go through. You have questions that you can ask. You have the tokenomics. You have all of that stuff that you can really focus on. So feel free to go and check out all of their documentation, all of the things that they do have, because there's a lot to go over if you wanted to research it further. But if we go into the chart and see where they have been and what markets they're available on and the market cap, currently it sits at a about 1.4 cent price. It is down 27% over the last day. We're seeing it up 117% in the last 7 days, and really within that time period, you're seeing that 117% growth over that time period of the last 7 days. You're seeing $14 million market cap right now with about $1 million worth of volume. So this is still early stages. It's brand new, early stages. It just got listed on CoinMarketCap, so that's really where you have that. But early stages, meaning that you're investing into potentially a top tier AI project, but at a very, very early stage before people truly get into it and see it for what it's worth. But you have 1 billion total tokens that are there. Fully diluted market cap is, that 14 or 13 billion dollar, or sorry, $13 million level. If we went into the contract to understand the amount of holders, you have 3,144 holders. So again, it has that level of popularity. It has people that are holding it. So it's not really a lower end play. It's more of a sleeper play to where it has that potential to maybe 10x or 50x or further than that, depending on what you could potentially see from it, because AI will be very, very popular. You don't have much history to really go off of with the chart. So it's more of about you taking a risk on a AI play that is starting out. And if you wanted to look at the markets that is available on, it really just has Uniswap that it is available at the moment. And I'm sure you're going to have further development and further expansion into other, exchanges and stuff like that. So feel free to let me know what you think about this play. I think it's definitely interesting in, the kind of angle that they're going with, and the different things that they are doing there. I feel like it's a no-brainer to see success within an AI play that's using machine learning in a way. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. And don't forget about all of the links for ByteAI down below. Feel free to check that out and give it a look for yourself before you decide. Guys, I'm going to get out of here. Make sure you hit that like button again, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.